Conversations in home situations. Communicating with family.
What's for dinner tonight?
We're having spaghetti and meatballs.
Can you help me set the table?
Sure, I'll do it right now.
Have you finished your homework?
Not yet. I'll finish it after dinner.
Turn off the TV and go to bed. It's late.
All right, just 5 more minutes.
Can you pick up the kids from school today?
Sure, I'll leave in 10 minutes.
Communicating with housemates.
Did you take out the trash?
Not yet. I'll do it after I finish this.
Whose turn is it to do the dishes?
It's mine. I'll take care of it now.
Can I borrow your vacuum cleaner?
Of course, it's in the storage room.
We're out of milk. Can you buy some on your way home?
Sure, I'll grab some from the store.
Let's clean the apartment this weekend.
Good idea. We can start with the living room.
Handling repair and household situations.
The faucet in the kitchen is leaking.
Wesh'll call a plumber to fix it.
Why is the Wi-Fi not working?
Let me restart the router.
The light bulb in the bathroom went out.
I'll replace it later today.
The washing machine isn't working properly.
Maybe you should get it serviced.
There's no hot water in the shower.
I'll check the water heater.
Household planning.
What should we cook for dinner tomorrow?
How about chicken curry?
Let's have a movie night this Friday.
Great, I'll prepare some popcorn.
Do you want to invite some friends over this weekend?
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
We need to redecorate the living room.
I agree. Let's start with new curtains.
Should we start a garden in the backyard?
That's a great idea. Let's buy some plants.